So guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be looking at the brand new Britain's Ford 7600. So I have had this out of the box. I got this at Ken Black's at the Ploughing Championships. 33 euro, so it was. I meant to remove the sticker, but that's how much it was. So as you can see, it has dual wheels. It's interesting model on that. It's a model I've been waiting for a while, and I knew it was going to come out in late September, and it came out at the same time as the Ploughing. And yeah, so delighted to finally actually have it. Without further ado, let's get it out of the box and have a look at it. So here we are. From first glance, very nice little model. And look at them dual wheels, absolutely lovely. I really like it, especially you can do a scene, say, for, because here in Ireland we have a lot of bogs and we use tractors in the bog, and most of them tractors would have dual wheels in the back to obviously increase the surface area to stop it from sinking, or for just extra traction and extra weight distribution. But very nice machine. Hitch has been definitely strengthened, I can see, compared to the old Britain's hitches. This has even gone through a bit of a makeover. It's very strong. Arms, and then also where the hitch has been made, it's definitely very good. So definitely a nice little bit of progress there. Stickering, lettering, everything's really nice in this model. She got the dual power sticker on the front. I do like the air cleaner. It's nicely done, and it has an exhaust with rain cap, and she has wind mirrors and everything. And the front looks well with a full set of weights as well. And as you can see, then the wheels can turn. It's brand new, so it will be a little bit stiff for the first bit of movement, I suppose. Yeah, and now to these back wheels, which are definitely one of the more setting off for this model. So from the box, and actually the one I actually bought it off when at the stands, she told me that them wheels can be removed. So I could take them, simply just twist. There you go. That's how simple it is. Boom, there you are. You have just a little bit of flashing, wouldn't mind that. And there you have just a normal tractor without the dual wheel. Now, and they don't look half bad, like, you know, it looks like a set of wheels that has the little lugs. In real life, they would have the lugs in here for these duals to fit on. So realistically wise, it's very nice, and it doesn't look bad, half bad. So without the duals, and then with the duals, and they are universal, so you can actually have the wheels, say, facing the different ways. On the box even, you can see that the wheels are turned the other way, so it's universal. You can fit either way, and yeah, very nice. And the lights all around. Now, in this model, it is missing. That's the only defect I found in this model. It is missing one of its spotlights up here, but it doesn't take from it whatsoever. Really like it, and even it has reflectiveness, working wing mirrors inside the cab. Lovely Ford interior, genuine Ford seat. Even has the dash clocks in the dash. That's a lovely little feature, and probably has pedals on the floor as well. And if I just change the, there you go. You have your gear sticks. Everything what should be in a Ford or model tractor is in it. You have your all-important oil filter on the side of the engine. Plenty of detail there of the, say, the alternator, your power steering pump, if that's, I'm not too sure about these Fords now, in fairness, but yeah, but you can definitely see make out the detail. And then on the far side, of course, you have your other filters and pipes and services. And you can, I really like the way the block is done. Very nice. What a nice little tractor. 10 out of 10 I'd give it. Small defect obviously with just missing wind mirror on the back. But other than that, you can't really fault it really. And for the price of €33, that's not actually bad. It's very, very reasonable. These duals are very easy to put on. So these little tabs, and it just slots in. Now I'm going to be interested to see if we can get it on one hand. And then you just rotate the one against the other, and it should link in or twist. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this now, but yeah. No, it's I think it's backwards. That did take both hands, and just it clicks it slightly in, and there you have it. You have your dual wheels on your tractor, and it looks really, really well. And what tractor better to compare with the Ford 7600 but the 6600? So evidently I don't know about size wise, but it is very, very similar in terms of castings. Tractor wise, obviously it's one model up from the other, so there wouldn't be a whole lot of difference. They probably would share cabs and a whole lot of stuff, but it's a nice comparison between the two. The fact that this one does have a slightly different amount of weights on the front from the 7600. It also has a different air cleaner, shorter air cleaner, while this one has a much higher. Other than that, this one doesn't obviously have duals on the back, just has the ordinary wheels. But can't fault them, honestly. I really do like these little Fords. They do them very well. So this Ford, I'll give it 10 out of 10. Can't really fault it. Obviously I wanted full weights, would have been nice. Other than that, it's a perfect little tractor. On this one, 10 out of 10. Between price, I believe this, actually I spent more money on this than I would have this, but I don't know if that was just for the ploughing, but this was €40 while this was 33, and it's a slightly bigger tractor with duals as well. Full weights in the front and a full air breather. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll leave you with a few shots of these tractors. So yeah, thanks so much, and see you again soon. Bye for now.